In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make lower resolution footage look cleaner and better suited for a larger timeline or export, DaVinci Resolve has a built-in feature that can help. It's called AI Superscale, and it uses processing to increase the resolution of your clip while improving detail. This can be especially useful if you're working with older footage, cropped video, or clips that need to fit into a higher resolution project. To get started, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the clip you want to enhance. Select your video clip in the timeline first because the setting we're using is applied directly to the selected clip. Make sure you've chosen the correct shot before moving on, especially if you have multiple similar clips in your edit. Once your clip is selected, look up to the top right area of the interface and click on Inspector. This panel gives you access to the settings for the clip you currently have highlighted. If the panel is already open, that's great. If not, just click it once to make it appear. Inside the inspector, stay under the Video tab, then scroll all the way down until you find the AI Superscale option. It may be near the lower part of the panel, so keep scrolling until you see it. When you find it, turn it on to enable the feature for that clip. After enabling AI Superscale, you can adjust the available settings to refine the result. You'll be able to mess with options like super scale strength, sharpness, and noise reduction. Sharpness can help bring out extra detail, but if you push it too far, the image can start to look harsh or unnatural. Noise reduction can be helpful if your original clip is grainy or messy, but using too much may soften fine detail. A good tip here is to make small adjustments and preview the clip as you go so you can find a balance that looks natural. One important thing to keep in mind is that this feature adds a watermark if you're not using the studio version of DaVinci Resolve. So if you're testing it in the free version, you may still be able to preview the effect, but the watermark will be there unless you upgrade. And that's how to upscale videos in DaVinci Resolve using AI Superscale. Once you've applied the settings you want, you can continue editing as usual and see whether the enhanced clip fits better into your final project.